fixing all the problems that you made in your own head. But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I? Yourself, my man, you know that you have seen this all before. A tremble little liar, man, who never settled any of your scores. Your grace is wasted in your face, and boldness stands alone upon the way. Now learn from your mother, or I'll spend your